Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope we always healthy and we always feel happy. Now, let me introduce myself. My name is Novianti Lestari, and you can call me Novi or V. I am 31 year old now. I was born in November 1993. My current occupation is a housewife, and I really enjoy with my role as a housewife because I love it. And of course, I am currently studying at UT Bandung, majoring in PGSD because I want to be a good teacher and I want to be a good mother. So I hope this comes true. And then I live in Cilumping Village, Dayahluhur District, Cilacap Regency. The postal code is 53266. That's my address. But actually, I am a Sundanese because I was born in Sumedang, West Java. But I like this village because Cilumping village is very beautiful. By the way, I have a hobby. My hobby is cooking because cooking it's fun and cooking can make me feel better when I feel bored, when I feel sad. So I really like cooking. Especially I making cakes or donuts or sponge cakes and sweet food order, and also homemade food for my little family. Oh, by the way, I live in this place, in this home with my little family. They is my husband and my 2 sons. My husband name is Edi Sudirman. My first son's name is Hanif Adi Saputra. Then my second son name is Hanan Muzaki. They are very important for me, so I feel very love them, and I feel grateful because they are in my life. So I think that's enough of an introduction from me, and I hope we can all success together. I am very grateful to be able to take this tutorial class. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.